Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Crissy. If you are new here, welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, I always appreciate you guys. So this vlog is just an update on my heart health, my life health, and my general well-being. You guys know that recently I have had some scares with some heart issues and thinking that possibly I have a heart disease or a heart genetic condition which runs in my family. My son has a heart condition. My dad died of a heart condition when he was 42 years old. His mom died of a heart condition when she was in her 70s. My brother has a whole fake heart that he got when he was in his 30s, and it just runs rampant, having heart disease in my family. So I did confide in you guys recently that I had some scares with labored breathing, not being able to get my breath work under control, having a lot of anxiety, things of that nature. And I did decide to go and get an echocardiogram, which, thank the Lord, that came back where I have a healthy heart, you guys. Me thinking about having a heart disease and the possibility of leaving my children behind at such young, little, innocent ages, you guys, was giving me the worst anxiety that a mother could go through emotionally, I feel like. And I was thinking, if I did have something wrong with my heart, who would take care of my babies? What would happen to them? How would they have a future without me? But thank goodness I did get a clean, clear bill of health from the echocardiogram, and I couldn't be any more happier. Life is precious and it's so short, you guys. Please enjoy it while you can, and take care of the loved ones around you, and especially take care of your health. This was just a huge wake-up call for my entirety of my life. Simple earrings, look super pretty on. Very chic and small, just a small little gold hoop. They look perfect. I just picked up all the big girls from school, and now we are at our gym. We're gonna go swimming, and I got everything packed up. Maxwell's sleeping, so he'll be sleeping in his car seat. I don't know if I'm gonna take him into the pool area in the car seat or if I'm going to take him into the daycare. But we're gonna get everything out of the car and go swimming. Fun Friday. I bring my bog bag, and it's new. It's from Dick's Sporting Goods. You guys, it's amazing. You cannot beat the original bog bag. I am obsessed with my bog bag. I got the lavender purple one, and it's so pretty.
It smells gross.
It's big and deep. It has lots of space in it. I can put my water bottles in here. Everything we need for me and the 4 kids can fit perfectly in here. Maxwell's been able to fit in this swimsuit since he was 3 months old. How bud?
Baby's like little babies.
Look at the water! Maxwell, look at the water! Hey, Max! Maxwell! Look at the water! Come see the water! Look! Ooh. Oh, I think he's scared of the water. Bath? Yeah, he's saying bath. He thinks it's a bath. It's a bath. Come here. Whoa. We're back home. We went swimming. We had fun. Maxwell got in the water. He was scared of the water for a little bit at first, but after like 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, he was jumping around, splashing, getting in, you know, everyone's faces and splashing water everywhere. So he had a ton of fun. We're back home. My lashes are coming off, so I'm just gonna take them off to save them. We have meatloaf in the oven. Again, it's Friday, so come here.
Hi.
Say hi, Papas. So we are gonna do Fun Friday movie tonight. I'm gonna let the girls do a sleepover in the living room. So we're gonna get out the Happy Nappers, which is like their little sleeping bags that they sleep in when they sleep in the living room or have slumber parties. So we're gonna get ready and set all that up.
Our only real tradition that we kept.
Where's the other towel? Are they in the car?
Probably. One of the only real 2 traditions that we kept.
What?
7-Eleven Snoopy's and celebrating birthdays.
Oh yeah. Okay, everyone spread your Happy Nappers out.
You got the Happy Nappers. Hey. Hey. You're gonna hurt yourself. Hey, little baby, come on. Here, Max, you can jump in here. You're gonna get hurt again. You already got hurt like 3 times. You banged your mouth on the bench, and you banged your mouth on the couch, and it was bleeding. And now you're gonna get hurt again on your head.
Okay.
You're gonna get a concussion and
Bring
hurt
it over here,
yourself.
Sophia.
Come on. I couldn't.
Here.
Come on.
Watch out, guys. Say hi.
Don't try to get it. Say
Say hi.